Hello, this is Sanjay Gupta from SNS System. SNS System is a software services company which expertise in web application development, e-commerce solutions, and they are really pioneer for cooperative society software. They have very large client base for cooperative society software product. In this video, I'm going to explain one of the unique and very demanding app associated with cooperative society software, that is mobile app. As we know, nowadays everybody is using mobile app, whether it is banking, whether it is personal needs, or whether it is whatever. Mobile app has become nowadays is very common thing. So SNS system has developed mobile app for cooperative society software as well. So I'm going to explain what SNS system has developed. SNS system has one dedicated website for cooperative society software only, that is cooperative-society-software.com. Here we have everything, whatever we have related to cooperative society software, all features, all modules, in what package, what features we provide, mobile app, and even we are supporting Bluetooth mobile thermal printer with this mobile app. So please visit whoever is looking for cooperative society software. Now mobile app, SNS system has three variant or three different versions for mobile app as per the user and their need and who's going to use the app. Version 1.0, it is for the collection agent who used to go to the member to collect amount against whether it is RD, saving, DD and loan. So version 1 is for the collection agent. Now version 2, second variant, is for member itself. Member who are part of the society, they have their account. So version 2 mobile app for those members. They can log in it and can see complete account statement, all transactions, and even they can do fund transfer from one account to other account. So manage version 1 is for the collection agent, version 2 is for the member or customer itself. I will go in a bit deep what all feature each variant has. Now third version, version 3.0, it is for the management or authority of the society. So they can see complete reports of the accounts. Now I'm going to see in bit detail, feature by feature, what version 1 has, and then we'll show you complete in depth with screenshot for this particular mobile app. So version 1, as I mentioned, it is for the collection agent. Through that agent can collect the amount against the saving, DD, loan, etc. What all feature this particular mobile app has? Agent can see my account, one of the menu option. Once agent can click, he can get complete account detail, whatever account has opened through this particular agent. He was the introducer for this particular account. So he can see complete my account detail on the mobile itself. And second is the quick collection, through which agent can search particular account and can find out what is the amount needs to collect from the member against saving, RD or loan, etc. So he will search particular account number, find out amount due, will collect from the member, and he will hand over the receipt on the spot itself through the connecting Bluetooth mobile thermal printer. Third feature, My Collection. Agent can see complete collection history through date wise. He will from this date to this date or on particular date what was the collection for this agent. He can see and have the complete record. And as for the printer configuration, we can configure any Bluetooth mobile thermal printer with the app and can generate the receipt for the payment. So these are feature for version 1 for the agent, my account, quick collection, my collection, printer configuration. These are the main. And as I told you, version 2 is for the customer member itself. They can see all the transaction, download the statement, even they can transfer the fund from one member to another member. They can see complete loan account and account statement. And version 3, this is basically for management. Management can see all reports of branches like collection, pending application of loan, or whatever uh, ledger of the particular branch. Management can see anywhere, anytime. Collection report, loan application, agent collection on daily basis. Even once they can see a loan application on the mobile, they can sanction the loan for particular branch. So these are the three variants for three different users for three different purposes. Now I'm going to move in depth about how version 1 mobile app really looks like when it comes to the actual use on the Google Play. So I go to on Google Play where we have this particular mobile app. So now once agent log in, then he just come to on this dashboard home page where it will be generate his personal detail, agent ID, branch ID, which branch he belongs to and when he joined, etc. Different whatever depend on society to society, that particular information will come on this page. And I mentioned about printer configuration, Bluetooth. It will be once you turn on the Bluetooth, it will show the available connecting Bluetooth printers. And once you click, then you will connect to the particular printer. And this is in my account. Agent can see complete member details, who has opened the account through the introduction of this particular agent. So this my account is showing so many members were opened account through this agent. Quick collection where agent can search particular account and can find out how much needs to collect, date, and he will receive it and also generate a receipt as I mentioned through the Bluetooth mobile thermal printer and hand over to the member to the proof that we have collect this much amount on this particular date. And this is the collection history. Agent can see on the particular date what all transaction, how much he collected from the member, so he can see his complete history. So these are the just front-end visualization of the mobile app. Is very easy to use, simple. Now, once this amount collect, now I will show you the how it looks, how it really goes into the backend part. We go to the mobile app backend part. This is SNS system online software. I already log in this, and this is the left side is complete features menu, various menu. Now agent collect the amount, how it will reflect in the backend side where authorized person or admin can really approve, and then that transaction will get final. So here it is one of these things under the agent area, mobile pygmy collection. This is the here we can see from particular date to particular what all the transaction was there for which agent ID, and accordingly authorized person can approve it. So the transaction. So now these are the transaction on this particular date by a particular agent, and this as of now this all has been approved by the admin. So whatever agent has done collection, this is fair, is everything is right. That's why admin has approved and account has been updated. So whatever agent has done on the mobile app, we can see here immediately reflecting, then authorized person can take the action, do the approval, and then it's done. So I hope it will give you some idea of how agent can use the mobile app for the collection, and they don't need to remember or they don't need to note down anywhere, everything on the system online live update, and can give receipt to member on the spot itself. So I hope, and for more information please visit, as I mentioned, is cooperative society, cooperative-society-software.com for particular software features or details. And if for more detail about SNS system, please visit www.snssystem.com. Thank you very much.